This is Donner Summit, where we are. This is Donner Pass, and we're now at 7,200 feet above sea level. Donner Lake runs east-west here, and on the east side of the lake is where the Donner Party spent their winter. And it's also where they have the memorial and museum and things like that. When I first came up here, what I found by visiting nature and just looking at it for inspiration, even just right now, the cold on our cheeks, could lead to a piece that, like a cold gallery, like even the refrigerated piece at SF MoMA with Vaseline, Matthew Barney's piece. Isabel and I would bring up students for class. We even did one year, we did an alpine installation intensive, which I would never do again, but it was great. 12 students, 2 weeks, up here in the summer from the Art Institute. It was called Alpine Installation. I had them come here and I gave them all watercolor sets, every one of them. And they're mostly new genre video people and not necessarily used to painting, and told them this is where we're going to begin our class. And many of them just made little blue lakes in these depressions, like down here, and poured the blue water and made a blue lake or whatever, and trying to figure out something they could do because they were so unused to working with paint and brush, since most of them were trigger-happy video people, right?
So when you bring them up here, so it's partly to get them exposed, just to make sure that they have this experience in their lives.
Right. And the other was to get them out of the white cube of Studio 9 or 10 at the Art Institute, which is the gallery's place. Pieces made in nature are hard to conceive of even when you're sitting on your desktop. I rely on accident more than what I can contrive. I can't contrive enough. It's not something that just dead ends. Sometimes I'm okay in the shower. My best studio is a nice hot shower. For some reason, ideas come. And the other one is driving or nature. Nature feeds you sometimes things that you never could have contrived. The accident's sometimes there, like when we noticed the water going under the ice just a little while ago, or the light hitting the rock a certain way. You can't write it down often. Instead, you have to wait, and if you're, quote, in shape, the experience reveals itself, and otherwise, we just bypass a million experiences. In fact, this is so good, I can't believe it. You guys winded? I'm all right. I'm ready for a beer and food.